after the earthquake in 2010, I was under the tents with the people serving. And at that time, many psychologists came from all over the world to help Haiti. But when the media left, they all left the country. And people still they had the needs, and no one can help them meet the needs. So I said at that time, I have to gather some students and then send them. At that time, they went to the tents to work with the people. And I had some friends. I said, please help me train those students that they can help.
So if someone has high trauma, high current risk, low individual resources and low environmental resources, they will be traumatized in an ongoing way.
Alors, ce sont des petits feux pour une équation. Donc, c'est important de préparer les éléments de cette équation. Que si quelqu'un est traumatisé à un niveau élevé, il y a aussi des risques à un niveau élevé, et au niveau des ressources soit individuelles ou environnementales sont mêmes.
So my name is Father Wismik Jean-Charles. I'm the founder and the Director General of CESA.
Okay, so CESA, this is a center of spirituality and mental health. So this is what it means in French. And we do several things, but the most important, it's a program of group therapy in school in poor neighborhood of Port-au-Prince, in Haiti. And so this is group therapy with this is students of psychology, and they're doing the group therapy as an internship in the school.
I mean, CESA is like a lab of the university where students can do practicum. And also this is a center where we offer services to those, the poorest ones of our society. So this is what I can do for them, since I know some people. I said, okay, I will try to invite them to come to share with you their knowledge, their skills, but you in return, you have to serve especially the most vulnerable, the poorest, because they give you their knowledge, you give to our children your services. Yeah. So as you can see today in the room, there are many religious nuns, and they have many teachers. They have a good number of students. There are some leaders. So they come from all background and especially I gave priority to teachers, to psychologists, young psychologists, because those who are called to serve, I believe that they need good training to serve. So since they only are in Haiti, they only hear things in classes, so I invite students to come, those who are in the third year, on the last year, to come and to learn new knowledge. And as the minister said, even professionals, they come, they are eager to come. We have doctors, many doctors, young doctors were there today at the conference. Yeah.
In Haiti, you have to handle it by yourself. This is your start. So don't cry on yourself. Don't take time for you. It's just go ahead. So this is a way to tell people that we know that what you live is very complicated, and it's not because you take time to just think about it, to speak about it, and to elaborate it, that it doesn't mean that you're weak And this is a problem in Haiti. Often they think you're weak if you take time for you, if you take time to find support, psychological support. It's very complicated.
So it was this. I mean, the goal of funding CESA is to serve the people, is to meet the mental health needs of the people. I'm grateful and amazed. So those two feelings at the end of the conference, I feel grateful to you. I feel grateful to Young Center. I express my gratitude to John Day Foundation because you are the one who make it happen. And amazed to see that we can serve 350 people. So we are really, as I said, grateful and amazed to see how people are eager to learn. And with all humility, I'm grateful that you can participate in that action, that you can help me serve my people.